Hey everyone, this is Team Return now. Our project is Web3Verse, which is basically a metaverse built and based on blockchain. This project is integrated into 3 platforms: an Android app, virtual reality, and full stack website. Firstly, let's start with the Android app. The Android app is fully built and is physically running on a Android phone. As you can see in the dashboard, we can see the different NFTs gained by the users in the VR world and their portfolio value analyzed by AI and the prediction of its price. The other feature of this Android app is to build an avatar with the photo, which is a 3D avatar that can be pushed into the VR world and which helps us to socially interact with VR friends in the VR world. As we can see, we are clicking a selfie with the front camera of our Android phone, which is being converted into a 3D avatar and is directly pushed into the VR world. In this Android app, we have other features like Nearby Chat, which uses geofencing to connect people around us with different wallets so that we can push them into our VR world and interact with them there also, and play with them, shop NFTs and do different kind of things in the VR world. As we can see, the avatar is created with our face, and here we can change the avatar with unlimited possibilities. Like we can change the different accessories on the person and the other things also.
Okay, now let's get into the fun part. So as you can see, this is the VR application we have been creating from the past 48 hours. So in this, everything is interactive and is coming from the different SDKs that we have planted from real time. So all these NPCs are real world players that are registered in our SDK called real world me. So as you have seen from the past Android application, all the 3D assets are being rendered here to the Unity VR open world to get those actual feeling of a person being here. So we also implemented different types of games in the VR, like having a gun and shooting a rock can give you an NFT kind of things. So with these blockchain capabilities, you can know that this is more scalable and can have many more possibilities. Like actually you can have a blockchain bank in here and can have all the transactions followed by these things. So it also is immersively beautiful. As you can see, all these assets are NFTs and can be stored by the user. The user can do whatever he want with all this privacy, security that are provided by the blockchain and all. As we completed the application and the Unity game VR, let's get into the website. So we implemented the ZK login for the Sui network, and also we implemented the minting of NFT features and having rewards from the Unity VR games using the Sui network. So the rewards or the points that we acquired from the Unity VR can be transacted here. So actually the Unity game was developed in Avalanche network, and this website was deployed into the Sui network, and we have been using the wormhole network to do the cross-chain transactions so that there would be no fatal errors happening behind these. And also we have been using Spheron for the storage of NFTs and all the 3D assets of players that are present in the metaverse and all. As you can see, this is the working prototype of the wormhole network transactions for the multi-chain transactions. So as we said, we deployed the Unity game into the Avalanche network of Fuji testnet and this website dashboard to the Sui network. So as we can see, there are 2 different chains. So by using this wormhole configuration network, we can do the transactions seamlessly without having any errors. As you can see, this project is highly secure by the blockchain capabilities, but also it is most riskful as there are more scams happening right now in the Web2 world and also in the Web3 world. So to tackle this in the future, we are implementing a credit score option where the users all the transactions are being scanned and generates a credit score by us, so that only he will be allowed into our world if the credit score is eligible. So this can tackle all the scammers and help us provide a secure environment to all the users. Thank you.